Hot water randomly cutting out for hours and then coming back like it's got a mind of its own? Yeah, that's super frustrating, but there are some things you can check before freaking out. So, first off, if your electrician said the boiler is fine, that's a good start because it means the power side isn't the issue. If your boiler has a diverter valve, like many do, it's definitely worth checking because that little guy controls where the hot water goes, either to your taps or your heating system. Sometimes the diverter valve jams or gets stuck, which can cause the hot water to disappear or come back unpredictably. Also, think about your water quality. If you've got hard water or sediment buildup inside pipes or the boiler, it can mess with everything, including valves. You could try flushing your system or getting a plumber to do it if you're not comfortable with that. Another tip is to monitor if this happens more during certain times, like after you run a load of laundry or more than one tap at once. That might clue you into pressure issues or a weak pump. If your boiler is electric, remember they can behave differently than gas ones, so make sure any advice is specific to electric boilers. Finally, keep an eye on any error codes or noises from the boiler because those can help a pro diagnose the problem faster. One of the biggest mistakes people make with hot water problems is blaming the boiler right away without considering the diverter valve. If it's faulty, swapping it usually fixes the issue. Another common mess up is ignoring water quality. Hard water can wreck your system over time, so using a water softener or regular maintenance helps tons. Lastly, calling just any plumber without knowing if they handle boilers or diverter valves can mean wasted time and cash. Always check their specialty to avoid getting stuck with someone who can't fix your specific problem. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you don't have to waste time guessing who to call. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it helps you find solid leads and grow your business without all the usual hassle.